We'll guide you through how to download and install Fortnite on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Fortnite is a highly popular game. There are different modes on it. You can play by yourself with others, you can play in duos, play in a squad, and it's a really fun game. So what we're going to need to do is you need to go and open up a web browser of your choice. Now, what we need to do is we need to go and search for Epic Games. Now, Epic Games are the developers of Fortnite. They run it. So we can go and search for Epic Games like so and come to store.epicgames.com. You need to come to the top right and you need to go and press sign in like so. Even if you don't have an account, as you do need an account, so press sign in. Come down here and you can find the option new here, create an account. And you can click on it. And you can then decide if you played before. If you haven't, you can press no. And you can then enter in your date of birth and go and continue with making your account. It's a really easy process. I already have one, so I can come out of here like so. Once you've got your account, you want to come to the top right of the Epic Games store and go and press download. And the Epic installer download has been blocked here. So I'll click on it and press download verified file. I've had it before, it's safe, and you can wait for it to complete. Now open up your file explorer and come to your downloads. And you can then go and find Epic Installer and you want to go and double click on it like so. This will appear and you can go and press install and you can go and press yes and you can then go and wait like this. It shouldn't go and take much longer and it's just going to go and copy the files that it needs and install what it needs as well. Now we're getting this pop up so you can wait for it to complete. When it finishes, it will automatically open. Now you can go and enter in your email for the account and then you'll need to go and enter in the password next like so. Which I'll go and do, and we can then go and press sign in and wait. You need to go and enter in the code sent to your email, confirm it's your account, and you can press yes, continue, and I'll press yes, that's correct. Make sure you read and agree to this. I already have, so I'll press accept. Now, what we can do here is it's going to go and allow you to go and choose the install location, and you can go and press install like so. You get a Windows cookie pop up and you can press yes. With it open, you can then go and press search store at the top and you want to go and type in Fortnite like so. I can then go and click on it like so and I can scroll down and see it's already in my library. So I'll click here. Then I can go and click on it and we can go and choose we want it to go and be installed. I went and changed the location and then when you're ready, you can go and press install. Now it's going to go and begin. You can press in the bottom left here and you can go and see the progress and go and wait. And when it's finished, you can then go and launch it from here. You're going to be able to go and click on it and start playing it.